Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix your Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So to fix your Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem, first check your internet connection, because if your internet connection is slow and Instagram isn't able to refresh this feed because of the slow internet connection as well. So check your internet speed or your internet connection to make sure it is stable, and if it's stable and it's still not refreshing the feed, then make sure your Instagram is up to date. For that, go to your Play Store, and on your Play Store, on the search bar, search for Instagram. And over here it shows open. If there is a update button instead of open, then be sure to update your Instagram account. But if there's an open button, then that means your Instagram is up to date. And if it's still facing some problem even after updating the app, then just delete and reinstall Instagram again, and that should be able to fix it. So that's basically it, how to solve your Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.